Okay, now welcome to our bachata lesson. So what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate some basics, then we're going to get together and have a bit of a dance. So here we go. We're going to start stepping to our left, and we step 1, 2, 3, and hip, and 5, 6, 7, and hip, and 1, 2, 3, and hip, and 5, 6, 7, and hip. Now before we go into the next basic, you'll notice that we're using the hips quite a lot. Yeah? So don't be shy and make sure you make them move. Now we're going to go for the front and back basic. Once again, starting on our left leg, moving to the front. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and hip, and 5, 6, 7, and hip, and 1, 2, 3, and hip, and 5, 6, 7, and hip. And that was our front and back basic. Now we're going to go into the exciting part, which is the turns. Yeah? The first turn we're going to do is a left turn, which means we turn to the, you guessed it, left. So here we go. Ready? It looks like this. We're going to step 1, 2, 3, and hip, and basic, 6, 7, and again, and 1, 2, 3, and hip, and 5, 6, 7, and hip. Now we're going to do the right turn, which means we're turning to the, that's right, to the right. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and hip, and 5, 6, 7, and hip, and 1, 2, 3, and hip, and 5, 6, 7, and hip. Now that we have the two turns, we're going to do what we call combo. Yeah? Now, all of us would have done the nut bush and stuff like that at home, so this might look a little bit familiar. Yeah? Combo means we're going to go to the left and then to the right. Yeah? Here we go. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and hip, and 5, 6, 7, and hip, and 1, 2, 3, and hip, and 5, 6, 7, and hip. And that's it for our basics.
Are things heating up at home? Well, keep on practicing because after the break there'll be more sensual bachata moves.